What's the meaning of climb down? Climb down. Climb down.
Climb down. Climb down. Climb down refers to the act of retracting or withdrawing from a previously held position or stance.
It is a term commonly used in politics and negotiations, where one party may back down from their initial demands or proposals in order to reach an agreement. A climb down can be seen as a sign of compromise, but it can also be perceived as a weakness or loss of face.
Ultimately, the result of a climb down is a shift in position, often in order to avoid conflict or achieve a desired outcome through negotiation rather than confrontation.